Alright, so I got the EVBASE Carbon Fiber Mirror caps for my Tesla Model Y Juniper, and I chose the glossy carbon fiber because I have a carbon fiber spoiler that's also glossy. So things that you'll need for this installation is you're going to need some clean microfiber towels. You're also going to need, well, you don't have to do this, but I like to spray mine with the ceramic detailer after it's applied. But for the prep work, you can use surface prep. I use Adams polishes, or you could even use your own mixture of distilled water with 50% alcohol and 50% distilled water. So again, it's from EVBASE here. I'll go ahead and put a coupon code at the bottom here and you can see it. But yeah, check it out. This is really cool packaging. It has all their tape on it. So let's go and open this up. All right. Cool. So it has installation instructions. It does come with tape here. I'm not sure if you have to apply it yourself or if it already has the tape. And then if you have this, which is the adhesion promoter, I highly recommend this as well too. So I'll put that right there. So here's the mirror caps. Oh, there's some more adhesion promoters here that they provided, as well as a pry tool in case you need to remove it. Ooh, beautiful. Wow. That weave is perfect. You can see it. So it has the ridge too, just like how it's designed on the Model Y Juniper. So it complements that well. And it looks like they already put double-sided tape on the inside. I like how it has the rounded rim around the edges here. I remember some of the cheaper mirror caps that are out there doesn't have this ridge. Alright, so like I said, the first thing I do is prep. Prep is really important because we want to make sure that the adhesives on the inside of the mirror cap is going to adhere to this paint. So if you have any ceramic coating, you're going to have to remove that on here. Luckily, I knew I wasn't going to ceramic coat this when I did the rest of my car because I knew I was going to get carbon fiber mirror caps. So with that said, I just still have to make sure that the prep is good. So what I got to do now is make sure there's no contaminants, no debris on it. So here I'm going to be using the surface prep right here. So let's go ahead and spray this. This will remove any spray detailers, anything else that could be on the car that would limit its adhesion. So just make sure you clean it really well. Make sure it's really dry. Alright. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of double-sided tape on the inside. It's already peeled at the corners, ready to apply. Get my adhesive promoter, open it up, and we're just gonna wipe the inside. Now we could peel off these pieces. We go from the top, and you could kind of stretch it out just a little bit to help promote that it can go around it. You want to do it swiftly. If you do too slow, it's gonna stick and then you're gonna have a problem. So let's go ahead and put it in like that. All right. So you want to try and push on it, make sure it's adhering to the actual mirror, because if there's cavities, it's not going to stick, has nothing to adhere to. So you got to make sure that you're pushing on it. And I'm just going to apply some pressure for at least 30 seconds. Okay, so same thing on this side. Like I said, see I have some dirt right here. You really want to make sure you clean this really well. So again, I have my surface prep. I'm going to spray this. Just going to clean this really well. Strip off any contaminants or debris that could be on here. I already went underneath and peeled off all of my tape. All right, so open this up and use the inside of it. Let's peel off the tape. Whoops. Okay, like I said, you could pull it out a little bit just like that, and then you're going to put it on quickly and swiftly. Okay, ready? Here we go. So that's my installation and review of the EVBASE carbon fiber mirror caps for the new Tesla Model Y Juniper. So what modifications do you want me to review and install in my car? Anyway, don't forget to use the coupon code below for a 20% off. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.